Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about uppercase letter G. Let's learn how to write uppercase letter G. Tracing letters. G is for grapes. Let's learn how to write uppercase letter G. First, draw a large curved line, the resemblance a backward C and end near the bottom line. Then draw a short horizontal line from the middle of the curve. Let's repeat again. First, draw a large curved line, the resemblance a backward C and end near the bottom line. Then draw a short horizontal line from the middle of the curve. To write to complete the letter. Well done kids, you are doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.